Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to set due date on Monday.com. So, if you're working on a project or if your employees are working on a project and you want to set their due dates, just follow this video and you'll be good to go. The first step that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you're logged in, it will be redirected here to the home page. From here, you can open the board you're working on. So, for example, if I'm working on this board, and let's just cancel out the timelines for the time being. And if we want to set a due date, for example, 26, 23, and 24. Now we want to interlink the date and status and owner and timeline. We need to make it interlinked in a way that all of these columns are linked, and a change in one would obviously notify and alarm the owner of the particular, I would say, column. So, for example, if this item is assigned to this uh, person, and the due date of this person's work, the item that is assigned to him or her, is 26 March. So we need to notify them and we need to see when the due date is to arrive. So for that, what do we need to do? We can click here, go on settings, and then set as a deadline. Now we are going to connect the status and the owner column and click on connect columns. Now here you go. Now they will get notified of the due date and their time to submit the work or time to do their task. You can say that. So this is March 26, 4 days left, tomorrow, and 2 days left. Now, this is how you actually set deadlines on Monday.com. And there's another way as well. If you follow what I'm going to do, you can also set up a due date through automation as well. So, what do we need to do for that? We need to go and click here on these three dots. Again, go to settings and uh, set due date reminders. Here you go. Now, this is automation. And when due date arrives and status is done, notify someone. Or what we can do is we need to set due date and reminder. So we can change it to 2 days. 2 days before the due date arrives and status is working on it or not done, then notify owner. So here you go. You can set this automation right away and it will set a due date and a deadline and a reminder for that person working on the specific. Let me just fix it. Okay, here you go. The automation is set right here. And now I've also set an automation of the deadline and due date. So 2 days before, the owner will be reminded. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.